Hi, this is Neil of Team Teacher, teaching, living and raising a family in China. Today we're looking at a learning Chinese app called Pleco. Let's check it out. Pleco is a all-inclusive learning Chinese app. It's available for Android on Play Store, it's available for Apple, and you can even download it directly from pleco.com. And what it has is a whole bunch of things. You can use it as a dictionary, you can use it as a translator where you can actually write in the characters, you can select from characters, you can type in keyboard on pinyin, you can do the voice conversion, and you can even take pictures and translate via the pictures. It's also a flashcard deck as well, and basically it's an all-in-one actual app that you can use for just about everything for Chinese learning. However, there is a caveat, and a lot of these features do come at a price, and it can be a bit freemium at times. So let's have a look at some of the features. Like I said before, you can input Chinese in many different ways by typing characters, writing characters out, using your voice, or actually scanning to read Chinese characters. And that works pretty well. And there's also, you can load clips to it and sections of text. You can create your own cards or actually purchase new cards for doing flashcard tests. There's such a variety of ways that you can use this, and it's probably the most used Chinese learning app translator dictionary that I know of among expats and even Chinese people here. So it comes highly recommended. The actual UI, user interface, is not so friendly to begin with, but once you get accustomed to it and you can able to navigate around, it's pretty simple and easy to use. Well, I hope you found that video interesting and informative about Pleco. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. Bye bye.